In today's video, we'll show you 5 of the best applications for making money on your phone, as well as how complete beginners may earn anywhere from $100 to $5,000 per month with no prior expertise. In 2022, this will be a simple way to make money online. I'll show you how to make money quickly by utilizing the most powerful and productive platforms. Stay tuned and watch the video until the conclusion if you're interested. When I first started making money online, I felt I wanted a bunch of stuff like this crazy new laptop, this crazy new camera, and all of the craziest new gadgets. But in reality, owning all of those things would take away from my creativity. Indeed, even if all you have is your phone, you may make a lot of money. And many people who, for example, watch these films earn anything from $100 per day to $5,000 per month. So what are these apps and how do they generate revenue? But before we begin, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel as well. Hit that notification bell button so that you will get notified whenever a new money-making video from our channel comes out. Also, share this to your friends and family so that you and everyone else will know this great tip to earn money. If you have any questions, concerns, or opinions about the video, just leave a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. The first app, in fact, is for downloading, Racket. Racket is now rather intriguing because you can download it on your phone, and then anytime you go to particular stores or buy stuff, you get cash back and are compensated when you go ahead and shop. When you combine this with other apps on your phone, for example, you can possibly spend other people's money, which means you don't have to spend any of your own money and you still get rewarded when other people spend their money, if that makes sense. Consider getting paid $5 every time you get someone else to spend $100. What if you could get a group of individuals to spend $1,000? That's a free $50 right there, which I realize sounds ridiculous. I know it sounds strange, but I came across this by chance while I was a broke college student striving to get enough money to get out with friends. It was around that time in college when I worked out this phone scam and hack where I could practically get cash back. But what if I sold the product and the thing I was actually buying was a product I was selling? This brings us to the second app, the eBay application. Back in college, I used to put stuff on the eBay app that I didn't even own and didn't have to buy until after the sale was complete. As a result, you can observe how this app begins to play on your phone. You can see that there are a number of these bunk beds that are selling right now, and you can see this one, which has sold a lot of units and is currently selling for $361, which gets us to the third app, which is where I get these things, Walmart. Take a look at this. So you can see the exact same bunk bed on Walmart, and you can see the exact same picture right here and right here. The only difference is that one costs $249 and the other is $361. So back in the day, after I hit my first $100 profit per day, I would simply screenshot photographs from other apps from other retailers like Amazon, Walmart, or Wayfair, save them, and then upload them to eBay, where $361 would be sent right into my PayPal account. I would have the money and the customer shipping information, and I would simply go to Walmart and buy it with the customer's money and mail it to the customer using the customer shipping information. What about returns? A lot of people ask, how do you return a bunk bed, for example? All I have to do is go to Walmart, ask for a return label, and then send that return label to eBay, and as you can see, I know that sounds weird, but all these people are making it happen. If you go down in your eBay app to all of these items, you'll notice that a lot of individuals are selling the same bunk bed and making a lot of money by simply copying and pasting photographs from Walmart to eBay. You're undoubtedly wondering where Racket fits into all of this. Racket comes into play because if you shop using the Racket app and go through Walmart, you can get up to 6% cashback every time you spend money there. But you're probably thinking, I don't have any money to spend. You're not spending your own money. You're spending your client's money. And you can do it over and over. When I was 19, I came to the point where I was spending $1,000 a day of my customers' money on sites like Racket and TopCashback.com to collect free cashbacks and money because I was already spending the money. If that makes sense, then these 3 apps can completely change your life. If you like this video, please like it and share it with your friends. If you enjoyed it, please subscribe using the red button and leave a comment below. It would be fantastic if you liked it. Subscribed, switch on the notification bell, and left a comment below. We'll post a terrific new video next week that might be even cooler than all of this, where you can get money doing easy things like this if we get 1,000 comments on this video saying I'll make money in 2022. So, if this video receives 2022 likes, we'll release a fantastic brand new film that may be even wilder than this one. So with that stated, it's time to go back to work and earn some money. The fourth software you can download is Fiverr, which is a service app. You can sell gigs or services on Fiverr. All you need is your phone, and I'll show you how to get started on the finest side hustle so you can make some money. As a result, people require the assistance of others to complete some task online. We discover them on Fiverr, but these tasks are quite precise, and if you could just find a very good marketing gig, they might pay you a lot of money even if you only have your phone. For example, if you type in Facebook video ad, you'll see that a lot of these video ads are made with people's phone. They'll send you the product and ask you to just take a video with it. Make some type of user-generated content about someone using their product, and they pay people like $45, $40 to make video ads with their phones. Fiverr is one place where you may find these kinds of job, but isn't the only place where you can find them. Upwork, our last app, did something similar. Upwork is a freelance marketplace similar to Fiverr. If you only have your phone, bear in mind that we aim to keep things easy, and Upwork is a place where you can simply download the app and sign up for free. There are other occupations available online, but for the purposes for this video, let's concentrate on one: Amazon product photography. Look at how much these folks are paid. For example, some of these photographers get paid $100 an hour to photograph Amazon merchandise. This one will set you back $49 per hour. $100,000 was earned as a product photographer for Amazon, and $80,000 was earned per hour. And the thing about this is that what works with ads and products and physical products in general are the things that are UGC, or user-generated content, which is just people with their iPhones. Individuals do nicely with e-commerce products. So having your phone and tapping into the e-commerce sector while providing a service to those in the photography or videography professions would be great. I mean, $100 an hour for something as basic as properly using your phone is crazy, and that's just one example. That's all for today. I hope you learned something from this video and that I was able to help you find a new way to earn money online. As always, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel as well. Ring that notification bell button so that you will get notified for our next videos. Stay tuned for our next video, and I'll see you there.